I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really a big fan of Palpatine.
Do it. I am the Senate.
But I am a huge fan of black and purple, and this colorway is so good I couldn't pass it up. If you're a fan of subtle, basically minimalistic Star Wars things, I highly recommend taking a look at these key organizers from Orbitkey. There are 4 to choose from: Boba Fett, The Mandalorian, Grogu, and Emperor Palpatine. Each one is very subtle, but the colors hint at what key organizer matches its Star Wars counterpart.
Do it.
And that's really all the difference between the Star Wars key organizers from Orbitkey's regular key organizers. They're still the same super high quality product that can take a beating from everyday carry. Before this one, I've been daily carrying their black key organizer for over 9 months before switching, and it still practically looks brand new. The unboxing experience is super cool with the details that they put into their box. On the exterior, you have subtle all black branding, and when you get to the inside after taking the key organizer out, you'll see some art of the Star Wars character of the colorway you chose. There's also a little paragraph as well as instructions when you fold out the pamphlet. Installing your keys is as simple as unscrewing the locking mechanism, adding in your keys with the washer, and then tightening it back up with something like a coin. As you can see, they're as subtle as can be with no sort of Star Wars branding on the outside, and just the little Orbitkey logo here. There are details on the inside which in my opinion is kind of useless in terms of practicality, but it is a super cool detail nonetheless. I'm not hating on this feature by any means, and I know for sure that us Star Wars fans will appreciate this little detail the most. This thing is made out of Saffiano leather, which is super durable and can hold 2 to 7 keys. But if you're not familiar with how this key organizer works, it's pretty simple. You just fold out your keys when you need them, and then fold them back in when you're done. It's so simple that you can open your doors with one hand, and it's super convenient. Plus, you eliminate key jingling when you use any sort of key organizer, which is essential these days in my opinion. There is a little metal loop on the bottom so that you can hook up a lanyard, key fob, or anything else of the sort. Something that I have attached to my key organizer that doesn't come with it, but you can get separately, is the multi-tool V2. It's so convenient and only takes up the space of one key that I have it on me at all times. It has a total of 9 tools in one, including a box cutter, bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and more. To be honest, I mainly use the bottle opener feature the most to of course open bottles and make holes for shotgunning drinks. I've gotten my keychain wet along with the key organizer with alcohol before, and it has held up, so I wouldn't be scared if you happen to splash some liquid on the key organizer. I honestly love this thing so much, and it's one of those things you never knew you needed until you got it kind of things. It keeps your pockets from jingling, protects your belongings from those dreaded key scratches, and even adds a bit of fashion with how sleek and stylish it looks. For a very premium leather key organizer, I say that it's definitely worth the price and then some, and I highly recommend that you purchase one of these things ASAP, whether it be the Star Wars version or not. The Star Wars version is definitely a lot cooler and a bigger flex in my opinion, and you'll always have a piece of Star Wars with you at all times. I'll be sure to leave a few links in the description if you're interested. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.